Why is vocabulary important in learning English?
Vocabulary helps you express your ideas clearly and understand others better.
How can you improve your English vocabulary?
You can improve it by reading books, listening to English, and learning new words daily.
What happens when your vocabulary grows?
You become more confident and fluent in speaking and writing English.
Why should you learn a few new words every day?
It keeps your memory active and steadily builds your word bank.
How can reading novels help improve vocabulary?
Novels introduce you to a wide range of words in real-life contexts.
What is the best way to remember new words?
Use them in sentences and practice speaking them regularly.
How can you make vocabulary learning fun?
You can play word games or use flashcards to make learning enjoyable.
Why should you learn synonyms and antonyms?
They help you express the same idea in different ways and understand meanings better.
How do movies help in vocabulary building?
Movies expose you to natural conversations and new expressions.
What role do dictionaries play in vocabulary learning?
They help you find word meanings, pronunciation, and usage.
How can you practice new vocabulary daily?
Try to use new words while speaking or writing every day.
Why is context important when learning new words?
Context helps you understand how a word is used correctly in sentences.
How can journaling improve your vocabulary?
Writing daily helps you apply and remember new words effectively.
What is the benefit of learning word roots?
It helps you understand the meanings of many related words.
How does repetition help in vocabulary learning?
Repetition strengthens memory and keeps words fresh in your mind.
Why should you avoid memorizing words without examples?
Without examples, you may forget the words quickly or use them incorrectly.
How can you use flashcards for vocabulary practice?
You can review them regularly to test your memory of meanings and usage.
How do idioms enrich your vocabulary?
Idioms make your speech sound natural and native-like.
Why is it important to learn collocations?
They help you use words that naturally go together in English.
How does reading newspapers build vocabulary?
They expose you to modern and formal English used in real-world topics.
How can listening to podcasts help vocabulary growth?
Podcasts introduce you to varied accents, phrases, and real conversations.
Why should you write new words in a notebook?
Writing helps you remember spelling and meanings more effectively.
How can you review your vocabulary weekly?
Go through your notes and test yourself on learned words.
How does using vocabulary apps help?
They make learning interactive with quizzes and daily challenges.
Why should you focus on pronunciation when learning words?
Correct pronunciation helps you sound confident and clear.
How can you use songs to learn vocabulary?
Songs teach you slang, expressions, and natural sentence patterns.
Why should you learn phrasal verbs?
They are common in daily English and improve your fluency.
How can you use online forums for vocabulary practice?
You can interact with others and apply new words in discussions.
How does writing stories help with vocabulary?
Stories encourage creativity and help you use new words naturally.
Why should you group words by topic?
It makes learning easier and helps you remember related terms together.
How can you learn vocabulary through speaking?
Speak new words aloud to build confidence and fluency.
Why should you use new words immediately?
Immediate use strengthens your memory and understanding.
How can you improve spelling while learning vocabulary?
Write words repeatedly and check them with a dictionary.
What is the advantage of learning vocabulary from mistakes?
Mistakes teach you how to use words correctly next time.
How can quizzes help in vocabulary building?
They test your knowledge and motivate you to learn more.
How can you learn vocabulary through flashcard apps?
They provide digital cards with meanings, examples, and tests.
How do short stories help expand vocabulary?
They provide new words in meaningful and memorable contexts.
Why is it helpful to learn vocabulary in sentences?
Sentences show how words work in grammar and conversation.
How can you use friends to improve vocabulary?
Practice conversations and challenge each other with new words.
How does reading aloud improve vocabulary?
It improves pronunciation and helps remember words better.
Why is listening to native speakers useful?
They use natural vocabulary that helps you learn real English.
How can you track your vocabulary progress?
Keep a list of learned words and mark the ones you use confidently.
How can you use YouTube for vocabulary practice?
Watch English lessons or talk shows to hear words in context.
Why should you avoid learning too many words at once?
It can confuse your memory and make learning less effective.
How can note-taking support vocabulary learning?
Notes help you review and recall words easily.
Why should you focus on useful vocabulary first?
Practical words help you communicate effectively in daily life.
How can picture dictionaries help beginners?
They connect words with images for faster understanding.
How can you stay motivated while learning vocabulary?
Set small goals and reward yourself for each milestone.
How can storytelling improve your vocabulary?
It encourages creative use of words and better recall.
How can translation help in vocabulary learning?
Translating helps you understand word meanings in your own language.
How can using vocabulary in emails help?
It helps you practice formal and practical English writing.
Why is vocabulary important for exams?
A rich vocabulary improves reading comprehension and writing quality.
How can you use mind maps for vocabulary?
They connect related words visually for easier memory.
Why should you focus on word families?
Word families teach how words change form in sentences.
How can you improve vocabulary with word-of-the-day tools?
They give you a new word daily to study and use.
How can you learn vocabulary from advertisements?
Ads use catchy and modern English words that stay in memory.
How can chatting online help vocabulary?
You can learn slang, expressions, and real communication.
How can you learn through reading quotes?
Quotes contain powerful and memorable language examples.
How can you learn vocabulary through debates?
Debates help you use advanced and persuasive words confidently.
How can journaling in English daily help?
It gives you practice to apply new words naturally.
Why should you avoid translation too often?
It can stop you from thinking directly in English.
How can you use flashcards with pictures?
Pictures help you remember meanings visually.
Why is reviewing old words important?
Regular review prevents forgetting previously learned words.
How can you learn from captions on videos?
Captions show real vocabulary with correct pronunciation.
How can you use dictionaries effectively?
Read meanings, examples, and pronunciation together.
How does repetition build vocabulary strength?
Repeating words often makes them part of your memory.
How can you learn vocabulary through reading articles?
Articles expose you to formal and topic-based vocabulary.
How can you use word games for learning?
Games make vocabulary learning enjoyable and competitive.
Why should you learn both formal and informal words?
It helps you speak appropriately in different situations.
How can writing emails in English improve vocabulary?
It builds your business and communication vocabulary.
How can subtitles help while watching movies?
Subtitles let you see and hear new words simultaneously.
How can you learn vocabulary by teaching others?
Teaching reinforces your own understanding of words.
How can you use online flashcard sets?
They allow you to test yourself and learn anywhere.
How can vocabulary journals help you progress?
They track your growth and highlight words you need to review.
How can reading children's books help adults?
Simple stories make it easier to learn common words.
How can practicing daily conversations help?
It gives you chances to use new vocabulary naturally.
How can podcasts improve your vocabulary?
They introduce you to real-life spoken English vocabulary.
How can you learn from English blogs?
Blogs use everyday English that expands your vocabulary.
Why should you use new vocabulary in speech?
Speaking helps you remember and pronounce words better.
How can you improve vocabulary through repetition?
Repeating words in various contexts makes them permanent.
How can you learn vocabulary through observation?
Noticing words in signs or ads keeps learning continuous.
Why is reading daily important for vocabulary?
Daily reading introduces you to fresh and diverse words.
How can you use mobile apps for vocabulary growth?
Apps offer interactive ways to learn anywhere and anytime.
How can you connect new words with old ones?
Linking them builds stronger memory associations.
How can writing stories in English help?
It forces you to use descriptive and varied vocabulary.
How can you test your vocabulary skills?
Use online quizzes or practice exercises regularly.
How can you use conversation practice for vocabulary?
Talking with others helps you recall and use words correctly.
How can you stay consistent with vocabulary learning?
Follow a daily routine with clear goals and review sessions.
How can visual aids improve your vocabulary?
Images and charts make word meanings easier to remember.
Why should you never stop learning new words?
Continuous learning keeps your English fluent and expressive.